At BP Automation, we're addressing the pressing labor shortage in welding. With skilled welders leaving the workforce and less experienced individuals stepping in, the need for automation has never been greater. Automating your welding process with BP Automation means more than just increasing production and efficiency. It means getting longevity out of your investment. Take, for example, this 1999 Fanuc robot cell. Custom fixtures and a fresh coat of paint have breathed new life into this aging robot. We've refurbished and reprogrammed it to weld aluminum posts with precision and reliability. We don't just stop at the surface. We dive deep, programming the PLC and HMI along with fine-tuning the robot's welding motion to perfection. Whether you're entering the automation welding field or need your existing robots refurbished or reprogrammed, our skilled team of engineers is here to meet your needs. Ready to experience the longevity and ROI of automating your manufacturing process? Contact us today to discuss your refurbishment needs or to explore how automation can revolutionize your operations. At BP Automation, we're committed to helping you streamline production and thrive in the ever-evolving manufacturing landscape.